Hey, hi Ritu.
Hi.
In under 30 seconds, tell me who you are and what you do.
Okay. My name is Ritu Bahugna. I come from different parts of country. My origin is Uttarakhand and I've lived whole my life in Delhi and now I'm building my life in Bangalore. I work in marketing at a startup. I'm a startup person. I love working in that culture. And I have been a failed entrepreneur. So in future also I believe I'm gonna do something like that. A successful one.
Sure, sounds really exciting, right? To be in the startup space, especially here in the Bangalore, there are plentiful opportunities also to do that. Yeah. So 1 year from now, from a career point of view, what do you see yourself doing? Is it, a career transition? That's something that's, at the top of your mind. Is it just career advancement? And I know you mentioned being an entrepreneur. So is it like, you want to take the plunge and become an entrepreneur, maybe in the next year or two?
Definitely I would want to do that, but not next year, maybe 10 years down the line. If you ask me about the next 1 or 2 year, I'm looking at this role called GTM engineer.
Okay, interesting.
So it's basically product person who gets into GTM, go to market engineer, and I learned it here itself. 2 days before I didn't know about this role, but now I know. I'm looking forward to work in this.
Okay, I see that you've already, done a PM certification. So what was, the reason to join the Executive MBA Product Leadership Program?
I'm a person who has always been against the concept of MBA. I mean, I always thought that putting money into a course like this is not worth it. Instead, I'll put it into my business, put that money into my business. But then in my life, I've realized that there's a lot to learn, and I have to learn a lot. That is why I thought a place where I could have a, streamlined pedagogy and I could see and learn and move ahead in my career. And yeah.
Sure, all right. But specifically, I just wanted to know that you did a product management certification itself, right? So was there something that was lacking that you felt, maybe doing something like this could fill that gap? Was there something like that?
I believe that was a very smaller duration course. It was 3 months course. But I'm looking more towards something that can help me with placements. And this is a place where I believe I could be able to cross that. So yeah, that's why I'm here.
Sure. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.